The Tale of Clarityville. The journey to certainty. In a quaint and peaceful land, beyond the azure skies, a village thrived with harmony beneath the sun's bright eyes. This village, named Clarityville, found joy in all they made, but whisperings of uncertainty put shadows in their shade. For you see, each craft and tool they'd build with loving care had measurements that wavered, brought frustration and despair. Tools would fail and bridges fall. Clothes would not fit right. Their hopes to rise to higher heights were taken by the night. Then from the forest's deepest green, a wise one made his way. With eyes that gleamed like morning stars, he came to save the day. His name was Sage Precision, with scrolls of ancient lore. He spoke of truths and certainties, unheard of here before. "My friend of Clarityville," he said, "I have spent long weary years in quest of greater knowledge to allay all doubts and fears. Reducing measurements, muddled noise brings harmony and grace. It opens doors to wonders that no shadow dare replace. By trimming uncertainty," he went on, "accuracy will bloom. The precision of your craftsmanship will shatter every gloom. Phase coherence, dynamic stead, will keep your tools aligned. A symphony of science that shall elevate mankind." This wisdom passed to villagers, like lightning through the clouds. They worked as one with Sage's words, to lift the misty shrouds. They tuned and tweaked their instruments, reduced the noise to none. And oh, the marvels that they saw as dawn became the sun. Carriages flew like eagles across the brightened sky. Their tapestries were woven with stars to never die. The waters sprang in joy and danced with rhythm pure and clear. Peace and progress graced the land. Prosperity drew near. The village rose in consciousness as Sage had prophesied. New knowledge birthed discoveries that spread both far and wide. Nature's laws unfolded, in unity esteemed. New worlds were born from clarity, their wildest dreams redeemed. So heed the tale of Clarityville. Let doubt dissolve away, for when we seek precision, the sun will always stay. Align with nature's wisdom. Let uncertainty be tamed. Peace and progress, hand in hand, will forever be acclaimed.